Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Tradoor token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Tradoor is a decentralized exchange DEX built for fast, private and user-friendly leverage trading on of crypto derivatives like options and perpetual contracts. DeFi derivatives hubs. DeFi derivatives hubs. It is a platform enabling up to 100x leveraged trading on perpetuals and options, primarily launched on the Open Network, Tone and BNB chain. Speed and privacy focus. Trades confirm in 50 milliseconds with on-chain privacy to prevent front running and no hidden fees. Multi-chain and AI integration. It plans expansion to base and Solana features an AI enhanced security system and a planned AI trading assistant. Tradoor project institution rating is 3.9. Tradoor token total supply is 60 million and circulating supply is around 14.34 million. Tradoor token. Tradoor token is listed on Binance Alpha, BitGet, BingX and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 80% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.